Hello, crafties, and welcome to Crafty Lifestyle. My name is Daniela, and today I got another exciting video. And this time I will be showing you my newest butterfly cutting die design. This is a gorgeous design, and let me put it up close to the camera to give you a chance to look at all the detail. This is a really intricate butterfly. It is a unique design that you won't find anywhere else, and it has some hearts and really intricate lines. It is a big size. The size is 4 inches by 2.5, and you can cut multiple materials using these dies, including cardstock, paper, glitter cardstock, vellum, and many more. And so I want to show you some samples that I made. I made this card using cardstock, and I used some paper backing to give it more detail. So basically, I just run it through my cutting die machine, and then I first cut the back of the butterfly on the different using different color cardstock. It is perfect. It is really stunning. Okay, and I got it. I run it through my machine using glitter cardstock, which is a little bit thicker, and as you can see, it cuts with no problems. Looks really beautiful. Okay, you can use the butterfly, and also I run it through my machine using vellum. You can also use the little pieces that come out as confetti for your shaker cards. Really nice. And one thing, you can use the butterfly, and also you can use, like, if you run it through, just measuring the cardstock, you can always use the middle part or the leftover part to do shaker cards as well. And I also did it in white. I highly recommend you purchasing this die. They sell it through AliExpress, and I will link the link in the description box of this video. You won't regret it. This is a must-have. It's a great investment, and it is so affordable. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. God bless.